This is the first time I'm filming in our new apartment. I'm so excited about it. I'll be sure to show you all around in another video coming soon. But with our new apartment, Taz and I decided we're ready to be parents, like plant parents. So we went out on Saturday and went to go look for houseplants. We went to a couple different places, so I'll take you along there right now. Our first stop was at Walmart. I don't have any footage of this, sadly, because it was a little bit before this, but we saw some really cool plants there, and there's a lot of cheap options. If you're looking for houseplants but you don't want to spend a lot of money, definitely check out your local Walmart. Our next stop on Saturday was to a local plant and flower shop, and it was such a cool spot. I'll show you all that footage right now, but it was raining pretty bad. I'm out with Taz today. It's pretty rainy, but we're here to get some plants, and I'm really excited. So we have a couple plants already in our apartment, but since we're trying to get it all put together, we want some more house plants, and I'm excited to show you which ones we're going to find, if any. Hopefully some. These ones are really pretty. They are a rare variegated sunrise orange heliconia. I hope I'm saying that right. So these ones are really cool. And then I really like fiddle leaf. I really want one, but I know how temperamental they can be. It's raining a lot right now, but I am new to the houseplant scene. I honestly don't know much at all. Every houseplant I've ever had has died. So I'm hoping to do more research and know which ones are good and which ones are not. So we've looked at some ones that we're interested in. We have a couple snake plants right now, and I really would like to get a monstera, but we'll see what we can find. At that shop, we ended up getting a monstera, which is right behind me. You can see it right over there. So I'll be sure to show you that once this is all over. I'll give you a quick tour of all of the houseplants that I got, but that is the one that I got from there. And then next we were on to Lowe's. They actually had an awesome selection too. So I'll take you along to all the plants that we saw there. We found 2 plants and some self-watering pots, so we don't have to have a little dish under every single one of the pots. I'll show you a close-up of those as well. But these plants are really awesome, and we're looking to get another plant. We're hoping to get a fiddle leaf or a dragon tree. If you have any experience with either one of those, let me know, because I honestly am not an expert when it comes to houseplants, but I'm definitely interested, and since we have our own space now, I'm really excited to get a lot more plants. So now I want to show you all the plants that we got. First, the plants at Walmart, we got some snake plants. These ones are really good for air purification, and so we wanted to make sure we had a couple of these in our house. I suffered from really bad allergies and we wanted to get an air filtration system. I like the different colors of the snake plants. I like the yellow and green versus the plain green, and I just think that they're really cool. We put these in the self-watering pots like I mentioned before from Lowe's. We actually potted them on our own balcony, and we have potting soil that we put in them. I'm not positive if that's the best option to do for houseplants, but that was the one that we decided to go with. The self-watering pots are really cool because they're really cheap from Lowe's. I think each one was around $4. And so we were able to put these in there and self-potted them like I mentioned before. Eventually we're going to get bigger pots and repot them again, but we wanted to make sure it wasn't a total shock for these plants whenever we repotted them, so we'll repot them in a couple months. And the next plant I got from the local flower and garden shop is the monstera. And that one I love because it's just super cool plant. I've always wanted one. I see those all over Instagram. They're also known as the Swiss cheese plant because when they get older, they get little holes in their leaves like a piece of Swiss cheese, which I just think is really funny. The pot that we have it in is from Lowe's as well. I thought that this pot was really cool, and it's also self-watering because I know monsteras can get really finicky and their roots can begin to rot if they get too overwatered and have so much water in their pots. So I got this one so it could self-drain easily. The next two plants we got are also from Lowe's. They're called golden pothos or pathos, I'm not quite sure. They're also known as the devil's ivy. I think these ones are really cool because they are an ivy, like I mentioned before, so they will grow over like everything, which I think is awesome. I love when they have really long trailing stems. And so you can put this on top of a bookshelf or on a TV stand. We have ours on our TV stand right now before we put it at a bookshelf in here. And I just think it looks super cool. And I'm excited to get new plants. Let me know what kind of plants that you have in your house and which ones that you think are finicky or that are really easy, because I would love to know which ones are easy so it has like the least amount of maintenance as possible. I would like a fiddle leaf, but I know that they are finicky, or a dragon tree. If you have either one of those, let me know which ones are better or worse or what, because I would love to know. If you like this video, make sure to hit that like button, and if you want to see more videos like this, don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching!